The Cappadocia Underground Ceramic Museum, Gurey Museum, is considered the world's first rock-carved underground ceramic museum and is a highly popular spot in the Avanos district in the central Anatolian province of Nevşehir. Established after 5 years of work by the Gurey Ceramic Factory, one of the oldest ceramic factories in the region, the museum has been displaying nearly 500 pieces since April last year. The museum is located on an area of 1,500 square meters and is 15 meters underground. It also serves for meetings and cultural organizations. The owner of the museum, Gurey Tusuz, said he had a dream 20 years ago to open the museum and realized his dream after collecting ceramic pieces throughout the years. He said his family has been producing ceramics and pots for 5 generations in Avanos. The museum project had been a dream of 20 years. I could hardly gather the pieces. In the last 5 years of the project, we carved the rock under our factory and finished the building. This is a first in the world, as an underground rock-carved museum. We show what has been done in Anatolia for ceramic production since the early ages, he said. The museum consists of 3 sections. The first section displays historical artifacts from the First Age. The second section displays pieces from more recent centuries under the name Modern Age. The life and works of Turkey's world-famous ceramic artists, some of whom are still alive, are on display in this section. The third section includes a hall, where artists can organize exhibitions, a cafe and a library. Gurey said they opened the museum to visitors last April and the official opening would take place this year. Our museum will be a private one, affiliated with the Culture and Tourism Ministry. It will be visited as a museum in the morning hours and will host meetings, seminars, music concerts, and private dinners in the evening hours. Artists will be able to open exhibitions here, he said.